Hi, I'm the Grow Boss. This is my hydro store. And do you know who the most die-hard have you ever customer is? Just the most die-hard have you ever customer. They'll come in the store and they'll be like, hey, Grow Boss, my plants aren't growing the way they're supposed to. They're ready to explode, but they never explode. So I did some research. And have you ever heard about this nutrient? They say it's gonna blow my shit up. And I say, yes, I've heard of it. I have a wall of nutrients. Which one did you hear will blow your shit up? Because if you think nutrients are gonna solve your problem, or you think more nutrients are gonna solve a nutrient deficiency, then you're probably gonna wanna stop by my store, Henderson Hydroponics. Maybe go to my website, thegrowboss.com, pick up a copy of my book. And if you want, you can post pictures for us to look at the weekend webcast, or you can StreamYard into the weekend webcast. But I promise you, good growers that get colas like this in every trellis hole, they don't play Have You Ever Hydro anymore.